Thank you for choosing Philips Reverse Osmosis Tap Water Station. Now let's get started. Before installation, please let the system stand for 2 hours before installation to let the refrigerants settle. Please take a moment to check that all accessories are included. Here are the tools you'll need for installation. Install 3-way ball valve. Turn off the cold water supply. Turn on the kitchen faucet to release pressure and drain the water. Now, disconnect the cold water hose from the valve. First, unscrew the nut from the 3-way ball valve. Insert the white pipe into the 3-way ball valve and tighten the nut. Next, tighten it firmly to make sure it's secure. Install the 3-way ball valve onto the cold water valve and tighten the nut. Finally, tighten it well to prevent any leaks. Reconnect the cold water hose to the 3-way ball valve. Check the gasket inside and tighten the nut. Turn off the 3-way ball valve. Turn the cold water supply back on. Wipe all connections with a tissue and check for any leaks. If the tissue stays dry, the installation is done right. Install the main unit. Place it on a stable, dry surface and away from heat sources. Pull out all the silicone plugs. Cut the white pipe to the proper length. Next, insert it into the water-in slot and secure it with a quick connector clip. Open the stopper located at the bottom of the main unit. Make sure there's at least 50 millimeters of space around it for ventilation and cooling. Install the smart faucet. Insert the gasket into the base of the faucet. Drill a hole about 25 to 30 millimeters wide and make sure the flat area around it has a diameter of at least 50 millimeters. Place the faucet into the hole. If the flat area is between 44 and 50 millimeters, you'll need to install a riser base. Insert the gasket into the bottom of the faucet. From underneath, thread the nut onto the faucet stem and tighten it securely. Next, tighten the 2 screws with a screwdriver. Connect the faucet signal cable to the main unit signal cable and lock it in place. Connect the quick connectors to the pipes and secure them with the quick connector clips. Connect the same color pipes to the quick connectors and secure them with clips. Insert the blue pipe into cold RO water slot and secure with quick connector clip, and the red one into hot RO water slot, also secure with quick connector clip. Install the drain saddle. Drill a 6.5 millimeter hole in the drain pipe. Peel off the adhesive backing and stick it onto the drain saddle. Install the nuts in the correct positions. Then, insert the gray pipe through the drain saddle. Insert it into the hole in the drain pipe. Tighten both nuts and secure the pipe with a quick connector clip. After that, insert the gray pipe into the waste slot and secure it with a quick connector clip. Before the first use, open the 3-way ball valve. Plug in the power cord. All indicator lights will turn on for about 3 seconds. Then the system will start rinsing automatically. No need to do anything. The clean icon lights up and water will start flowing from the faucet. Once the display reaches 100%, the rinsing process is complete. It takes about 20 minutes. After flushing, the system will automatically perform boiling point calibration. The system will automatically enter the boiling point calibration process. Then, you'll hear 3 beeps and the light ring will flash red and blue alternately, indicating that calibration is complete. The system will then enter standby mode. You can now dispense and enjoy purified water. If this automatic process is not completed, the system will not operate normally. If power is cut off during the process, the machine will resume the process from where it stopped once power is restored. Using the faucet, take ambient temperature water. Press the rotary knob to get ambient temperature water. Press it again to stop the flow. You can also stop the water with the sensor. Hold your hand within 5 centimeters of the sensor for 1 second to stop the water flow. Take cold and hot water. Rotate the knob clockwise to choose your desired temperature. Press the volume button for volume adjustment. Press the rotary knob to dispense water. During dispensing, you can press the rotary knob or place your hand near the sensor to stop the water flow. Cooling mode. Press and hold the cooling mode button for 3 seconds. Then the indicator lights up, activating the cooling function. Hold for 3 seconds again to turn off cooling. At the same time, the faucet dispenses chilled water to clean the cooling tank. Maintenance. Routine maintenance. For best water quality, flush 250 milliliters of 45 degrees Celsius water after overnight or 12 hours of inactivity. After flushing, the water is ready to drink. Cleaning mode. If the system has been unused for a long time, we recommend flushing it before use. First, press and hold the cleaning mode button for 3 seconds to start. The faucet will dispense ambient temperature water for 3 minutes to flush the pipes. Next, it will dispense 95 degrees Celsius hot water for 1 minute to clean the hot water pipe. Then, it dispenses chilled water to clean the chilled water tank. If you want to cancel, press and hold the cleaning mode button for 3 seconds to exit. Filter replacement and reset. Filter status indicator. If the filter icon shows a constant white light, everything is working fine. The system is good to use anytime. When the red light starts blinking, the filter is about to expire. Be sure to replace it soon. A constant red light means the filter has expired. Please replace it right away. Filter replacement. Close the 3-way ball valve and cold water supply. Press the rotary knob to drain water. Unplug the power cord once water flow stops. Remove the front cover. Use the filter wrench to turn the 5-in-1 or RO filter counterclockwise and remove it. Insert the new filters into the main unit and push it in. Use the filter wrench to twist the new filter clockwise and secure it in place. After that, reopen the 3-way ball valve and the cold water supply. Then, plug in the power cord. Please reset the filter lifetime immediately after replacement, or the system won't track the new filter's lifespan. Press and hold the corresponding filter button for 5 seconds to reset it. Then, you'll hear 3 beeps. The clean icon on both the faucet and main unit will light up solid white, indicating the system is starting the automatic rinsing process. Then, put the front cover back on. No need to do anything. The water will start flowing from the faucet. Once the display reaches 100%, the rinsing process is complete. After resetting the 5-in-1 filter, the rinsing takes about 5 minutes. After resetting the RO filter, the rinsing takes about 20 minutes. Then, it will automatically enter standby mode. Cleaning reminder. If the system has been unused for more than 72 hours, the cleaning indicator will flash on both the faucet and the main unit as a reminder. Press and hold the cleaning mode button on the main unit for 3 seconds to start flushing. Special maintenance. If the system will not be used for more than 7 days, unplug the power cord. Remove the front cover and take out the filters. Wrap them with plastic wrap. Then store them in the refrigerator. When ready to use again, reinsert the filters and plug in the power cord. After powering on, you can immediately activate the cleaning mode. Now enjoy cleaner and healthier water with Philips.
Philips.